Want to learn how to use BleachBit on Windows 11? BleachBit is a free, open-source system cleaner that helps remove temporary files, browser data, logs, and other unnecessary files while giving you full control over what gets cleaned. In this guide, I'll show you the basics of using BleachBit safely and effectively. Let's get started. First, launch BleachBit from the Start menu. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to continue. Running BleachBit with administrator privileges allows it to clean additional system locations and temporary files when available. Next, look at the left side of the window, where you'll find different cleaning categories for Windows, web browsers, and supported applications. Click on any category to read its description before selecting it. It's always a good idea to understand what each option removes before enabling it. Now check the boxes for the items you want to clean, such as temporary files, cache, logs, or browser data. Before deleting anything, click the Preview button. BleachBit will scan your computer and estimate what can be removed without making any changes. This is the safest way to review the cleanup first. After reviewing the preview results, click Clean and confirm the action if prompted. BleachBit will remove only the items you've selected. Depending on how many files are being cleaned, the process may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Once the cleanup finishes, review the summary to see how much storage space has been recovered. You can repeat this process whenever you want to remove unnecessary files. Just remember to review your selections each time before clicking Clean, especially when working with browser data or application caches. And that's how to use BleachBit on Windows 11. By previewing your cleanup first and selecting only the files you want to remove, you can safely free up storage space and keep your computer organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.